Hey guys, I'm so excited that we get to spend this year together. Before we officially begin this year, I wanted to share some information about myself. I decided to become a teacher for so many reasons. I just wanted to share with you guys a few of the reasons I love my job. Kids are so smart and I love getting to see how you guys see the world. I feel like I learn so much more about our world the more I get to talk to all my students. I feel like every student deserves a chance to come to school and have fun while learning. I feel like it is my job to try and make this happen. I try to make every lesson fun in some way. I want you guys to enjoy our learning time. I get to spend my days trying to make a difference in students' lives. Every day that I come to school, I try to make it a good day. Despite what we are learning, or if you had a bad morning, I want to make sure you have a good day in class. I want to tell you guys about my family. Family is very important to me. I am happily married, and my husband's name is Sean. This is a picture of us on vacation. We do not have any children of our own. We have 9 nieces and nephews. Here are 3 pictures of them. This first picture is some of them on Halloween. The second picture is 2 of my nieces and my youngest nephew on vacation this summer. And the third picture is some of them at my nephew's birthday. I also have 3 sisters, 2 older sisters and 1 little sister. This one right here is me. And now all of you are a part of our class family this year. Every year, my husband and I go to Texas for a week. I grew up there and go back to visit family and friends. We love to go to the beach and go swimming. Some of our other favorite places to visit is the Natural Science Museum, the Johnson Space Center, and the Houston Zoo. These are some pictures from our vacations. The first 2 are taken at the Science Museum in Houston. The third one is from the Johnson Space Center, and the last one is from the Houston Zoo. We enjoy getting to visit new places and explore together. Let me share some of my favorite things with you guys. My favorite food is chicken enchiladas. My favorite Disney movie is Coco. My favorite restaurant is Chuy's. I love Mexican food. And my favorite picture book is Dear Peter Rabbit by Alma Floyd Ada. I came up with goals for myself for the year. My goal as a teacher is to get to know each of you individually. I want to know how each of you are different. My personal goal is to investigate. If there's a problem between students, I want to find out what caused it and how I can help. I want to remember to not jump to conclusions and to find out the reason behind problems. My goal for the classroom this year is to make sure everyone feels included. That means there will be no bullying and that everyone will be involved in activities. No one will be left out. We're all friends in the classroom. I'm so excited to see what this year will hold. We're going to have a great year learning together. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.